When's the last time you got a compliment, bro? Like from a woman telling you how good you smell? When's the last time you got that? Probably for you, months ago, maybe even years. And the problem is that you smell bad and you don't even notice. A lot of men in today's society doesn't even know how bad they smell. You know, they think like a little bit of deodorant every morning is perfect. It's gonna attract all the girls. No, bro. You have to be the best smelling man in the room to attract the woman that you want, bro. Like, I remember when I wanted to talk to a girl, like, I thought she was cute. You know, she got the brown hair. You know, that cute girl in the class. Like, that was like 8th grade, bro, long time ago. And I walked up to her, bro, thinking I was Giga Chad, about to like get her number and shit. And then she literally told me, "You stink." Bro, I thought I smelled good. I fucking smelled bad, bro. I stinked. So I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can attract women by smelling good. How you can actually smell good and not stink, bro. The first step or the first question I have for you, bro, is: did you shower this morning? Did you wake up energized and went to the shower, preferably cold? And did you actually clean yourself this morning? There's no way that, especially in this hot summer, that you go to work, go to school, go outside not showering in the morning, bro. You're fucking sleeping in your sweat and dirt and whatever, bro. Of course you're gonna start stinking a little bit. And you know, the first morning it's not gonna be that bad, but progressing through the day, that smell is gonna get worse. Till in the evening, you literally smell like a trash can, bro. Literally smell like a trash can, bro. Do you think women find that attractive? Fuck no, bro. By the way, I'm drinking this fucking my creatine shake, bro. I put some strawberries in, bro. Smells fucking good. So I challenge you or recommend you to literally shower every morning you wake up. And you might be saying, I'm too lazy, I'm too tired to do that. It's way too hard. I want to stay in bed. Of course you want to stay in bed, bro. But imagine you waking up with that cold shower. You're gonna activate your body. It's gonna be such a like shock to your body that you're truly gonna wake up again. You're gonna wake up those muscles because you laid in your bed. They're gonna be kind of stuck, you know, kind of lazy muscles. But when if you activate them by showering cold, by truly going into that bathtub or your shower room and showering, bro, you're gonna feel much more energized. You're gonna make that morning much more enjoyable because you're gonna be awake and not as fucking drowsy like, I don't wanna do shit. You just came from a cold shower, bro. You're giga chat, bro. And when showering every morning, you don't have to clean your hair every morning, right? Because that's gonna damage your hair, you know, your hair follicles. But you can always, you know, drown them in water, your hair, and your body. Please clean everything, bro, from your body, bro. And when I say clean everything for your body, then I mean truly shower, bro. Not about just standing there in the rain like fucking Vegeta and letting just the rain pour over you, you know, the water. Truly start scrubbing, bro. You know, use your hands, get in those cracks and noonies, bro. Even, bro, shower your balls, clean your balls, bro. Because I truly know how sweaty your balls get, bro. And those sweaty balls, they start stinking, bro. So clean your goddamn balls, bro. And I'm not gonna add a Manscaped ad, because fuck that, bro. But if you truly want to smell good in your private area, right? You have to clean that up. You don't have to completely shave, but you have to trim it. Because that hair is gonna keep much more bacteria, keep that much more moisture. So if you clean that up, trim it a little bit, it's gonna make it much more easy to like keep that good smelling balls, bro. Like I said, you don't have to clean your hair every day, but clean your body. Truly clean your body. Use anti-plastic soap. I use like soap that I got from Dubai, bro. It's like camel milk, bro. It's really nice. You're gonna feel like how smooth your like arms get and your skin gets because you're not destroying it with any chemicals or like plastics that destroy your testosterone, right? Like, don't use like the fucking 15 in 1 plus motor oil plus peanut butter, bro. You don't have to use like ultra high quality conditioner and the purest form of soap, but just something that's like bio, you know, and nature. Like, there's like this soap brand, I forgot the name, but you probably saw some ads, but I basically like make nature soaps, right? Use them, bro. Use stuff that's just the purest form of soap. Nothing with chemicals, nothing with plastics, bro. But yeah, clean your balls, clean your ass, clean your body, bro. The second way that people like ruin their smell, even though they don't notice it, is using too much perfume. Like, I know a guy, like he's kind of my friend, not a friend, but like colleague. He thinks he smells good, right? Every morning he probably wakes up, thinks, okay, let me choose a perfume, right? Okay, I like this one. It's a nice, sweet smell. And that this guy Use that perfume like a room refreshener, bro. Showers himself with that perfume, bro, with that fragrance. A fragrance is not supposed to be used as a shower, right? It's just that little scent, that little touch of that smell of the fragrance that makes it attractive. So if you use a fragrance, and I recommend you to do high quality, use high quality fragrances, not your cheap from your fucking dollar store, just spray it max 4 or 5 times. How I do it is basically each side of the neck, one behind and one on the hands. Because if you like talk to a girl and you hug her or whatever, you touch her face, whatever, bro. Having good smelling hands is gonna make it much more comfortable for her to be able to be close to your hands, right? Because if you have stinky hands, dirty hands, you really think she wants those hands in her face or like on her body? Fuck no. But if you have good, clean hands that smell even good, she's gonna be much more attracted to that, bro. She's gonna love your hands, bro. And by spraying on each side of your neck, and especially from the behind, you're gonna leave a scent every time you walk, right? Like if you walk across a room, you're gonna leave like a trail of scent, that fragrance. It's gonna make women follow that scent, thinking like, "God damn, who smells that good?" Right, bro? But you don't have to shower in that, because if you use too much fragrance, you're gonna literally smell like a deodorant box, like a flask, bro. You're gonna smell like a factory of like smell, bro. It's not gonna smell good. You're gonna stink. Like, imagine yourself showering with deodorant. That doesn't taste good, that doesn't smell good, right? Same thing with fragrances. It's even stronger than that, bro. So for fragrances, literally, less is more. Don't shower yourself with fragrances. Leave a little scent on your body. And especially the less stronger that scent gets. Many people say, oh, it's bad if my fragrance gets weak after 4 hours. Nah, bro. If you have like that little aura of scent, women will get closer to you, because you still have like that little spread of that smell of those fragrances, and they're always gonna keep getting closer because it smells even good, it smells good, it smells good. But you have that huge like area of like 15 meters of that fragrance, it's not gonna be interesting, it's gonna stink, right? So less is more with fragrances, bro. And the next tip, and you might be thinking I'm fucking crazy, but it's true. There was this study that men that work out, that do hard work, go jogging, do physical activities, they smell better when they sweat than those lazy bums that just don't do nothing, that eat chips. If you're a healthy man, an active man, your sweat or like your natural scent is going to be much more attractive to women. There was this study that basically, like in the Stone Age, like women were more attracted to physical active men, not just by like their seeing, like they see a strong man, but also how they smell. Because the men, that Stone Age men that went on to hunt, to kill, to work for their families, seemed much more attractive just by their smell. And same thing with today. Of course, if you work all week, you're working out every day, every single hour, and you never showered in 2 months, of course you're gonna stink. But that natural scent, it's a hot day, a little bit of sweating, it's gonna make you an attractive man. It's gonna make you an attractive man to women if you're physically active. But if you're, like I said, the type of guy that just eats chips, is lazy, not doing shit, and just has that natural sweat by being lazy, in the crooks of like your fat rolls, the sweat builds up, the stink builds up. Of course, you're not gonna be attractive, bro. You're gonna be the stinky boy. The next step, bro. You know what this is? This is deodorant, bro. I brought this for this video. Never use a deodorant again, bro. You know what you do this? Bro, you throw it away. This is one way for, like, if you want to be truly the 1% of the best smelling man, you have to remove that. Because you think you're gonna stop sweating and everything and it's gonna help you stinking armpits. No, bro. Fuck no, bro. It's pure chemicals. And you know that Axe smell? Like, there's some like men, like when you go to a shopping mall or like a restaurant that just use Axe as a fragrance or whatever, and you just smell that deodorant like stink, that scent. Women have a much more powerful nose, and you think a little bit of sprays of deodorant is gonna make you smell good, it's gonna stop your sweating. No, bro, you're gonna smell like a chemical factory, bro. So you might be asking, like, how do I stop sweating, then how do I stop my stinky armpits? First of all, the first step, that you shower every morning, is gonna make it much more easier for your armpits to not stink, because you were not sleeping in your sweaty armpits or like your sweaty bed, right? And the second way is, how I do it is basically just wear clothing that isn't like, how should I say this, like latexy or like stuff that isn't breathable, right? Because if you have like a lot of like clothes that are like very thick and you can't seem like to breathe in them, they're like very sweaty, like cheap gym clothes, whatever, of course your armpit's gonna stink. Same thing with your socks. Like if you have cheap socks that just aren't breathable, or cheap shoes, you know, those like plastic garbage ass, and then you take your socks off after 1 hour and they smell like garbage, bro. Same thing with like your armpits, or just like your sweaty spots in general. When you're sweating, it's happened, bro. I sweat as well, bro. Even though I smell like a giga chad, everybody sweats. It's normal. It's gonna leave that in natural scent. But if it's a little bit too sweaty, you can literally like it's ghetto ass trick. There's like actual pads for it, but like I use toilet paper, bro, to push it under your armpits to collect that like sweat and just junk that you don't need. And then every time you go to take a pee or whatever, you can throw that away. And there's like actual pads for it, like I don't know, like cotton shit for stuff like that. You can use that if you want to buy it. But toilet paper works for me. I do it all the time. But to summarize, shower every morning, bro. Don't use too much fragrance. Don't use fucking deodorants. Clean your fucking balls, bro. And just in general, work out. Have a healthy like body. Have a healthy mind. Clean your armpits, bro. Wear like breathable clothing. Put those papers on your armpits if you're sweating a lot. And drink a lot of water, bro. Just in general, just drink a lot of water, bro. After this video, if this ends, get a cup of water, bro. Especially glass. Pop that in, bro. Water is healthy, bro. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the night, enjoy your day, enjoy your morning, bro. Take a shower tomorrow, you fucking bitch.